The warning emergency brake inoperative in your Infiniti QX30 doesn't mean that the problem is with the actual brakes and you can safely drive further. The problem is with the function automatic braking in emergency situations related to the front camera and the ABS system. So when the camera in your windshield detects a possible collision, it sends the signal to your ABS system to apply the brakes, and the car avoids impact or at least minimizes its consequences. When you see this message, there are usually two types of culprits. First of all, the most common reason for this warning is one of the 12-volt batteries failing. In vehicles with start-stop, you will have the main and auxiliary 12-volt batteries. The main one is under the hood and the auxiliary battery is behind the carpet on the passenger's side footwall, just where one of the fuse boxes is. So check both batteries with a good load tester to see if their health is still okay. If not, please replace them with the new ones and check if this fixes the problem. This will very likely clear the warning. Also check if the battery clamps are tight and don't look corroded. If the batteries are okay, the next step is to check your ABS. You will need a good scanner for this that can communicate with various control modules. Usually a failing ABS sensor or connection will set a bunch of codes in different modules, so it's not hard to find the problem. If your knowledge is enough to replace the sensor, you may do it on your own. It's not that hard in these vehicles. Potentially the message may be caused by the camera related problems, but in this case you will see a ton of different messages. Also, cameras in these cars are not known to be faulty, while ABS and batteries are much more obvious reasons for emergency brake system warnings. But if simple solutions don't do the trick for your car, you will need a dealership grade scanner to test the camera and all related modules for faults.